Good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope y'all are having a great day. Today is a great day for me because we're doing a new mod to my truck, which is in the garage actually right now. So it's raining so bad right now. So we are in fact installing remote start on the old truck because winter time's coming. Our weather here in Maryland is really weird. Like, it's starting to get cold in December, but we've had like 70-degree weather days. So yeah, let me move the four-wheeler out of the way because I'm kind of running late right now. So we gotta get going. Only it feels a little bit colder. We'd be getting snow right now, but why would that happen, you know? No, but actually they're calling for snow, like, I think on Wednesday, like 12 to 16 inches. So I hope we get all that because I would really, really like to see some snow. I hope the rain noise isn't too bad, but I actually haven't been driving this thing for about a week now. My cylinder 6 was throwing the code saying the glow plug was having an open circuit. So I just went ahead and replaced them all. Those already opened up, so why not, right? So all new glow plugs in the truck. So now I just gotta find that fuel line leak, and that's basically everything that I gotta really fix on the truck. So I just don't know where it's springing from. I've looked under, cause like the front drive shaft is wet with diesel. Just it's a little bit. It's not even that wet, but so I don't know where it's springing from, so hopefully I can find it because I can't get on it normally. Okay, maybe I did there, okay. What's going on there? That ain't cool. Not cool at all, what the heck? Hopefully they're right. Yeah, probably should fill up before I take it to them, so. Appointment's at 8:30. It's right down the road, so I'm good. This is definitely, I don't know if you can see that or not. It's $279. This is like not the cheapest I've seen, but I don't know. The big man in the office coming up. Might not be good gas prices anymore, just saying. So if you would like to subscribe and help me out pay for gas, that'd be great, but I don't know. I need new wipers. They're squeaking. I don't like that. Stop it. Tunnel time. Woo! And here we are pulling up the TNS Automotive. This is where she'll be for the next couple hours. They actually have really good prices on like tinting and everything. They quoted me, I think, for like $200 for the front two windows and the windshield. So yeah, that'll be good. Looking to get that done here soon. But let's go get this done first. Gotta love the mask. I just made a bad decision. I'm getting tint too. I'm doing 20 on the sides and 50 on the front. So, dude, I'm wasting money, huh?
How much was that?
200. Nah, it's not even bad at all. So, what's that? I'm spending $800, bro. I don't have that much money to spend. All right, guys, we're back at the house now. I ended up getting window tint too, so I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. Oh, hello, Miss Bell. Oh my God. Oh my. Why the driveway? No! 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 What is that? Oh my God. Oh my gosh, these dogs. She's getting old, I'll give it to her, but really, come on, the grass is right there. Why did you poop on the driveway, huh? Why? The grass is right there. I'm excited though for the window tint though. I've wanted it for a while, like I said. It's gonna match the rears. The front two windows are gonna match the rears. So it's gonna, I think it's gonna make the truck just stand out so much more now, because it's really needed. Like even on the Tahoe right here, like you have the backs, it's basically gonna be that percentage on the front. Same with my dad's truck. But speaking of my dad, I didn't tell him I'm doing this, so honestly I'm gonna be shocked if he realizes it, because like he's not one to like really look at stuff closely like that on like vehicles. He's really big into airplanes, so it'll be interesting to see if he notices on my truck, because I'm not even gonna tell him. I'm only gonna see how long it takes for him to realize. It finally did it. It finally did it. It did it. It did it. It did it. Oh yeah. It's snowing. Oh my God. I hope it gets like thick, because I want to take the Polaris out down into the snow. I hope we get at least like 5 inches today. I was not expecting this. I didn't think they were calling for it today at all. I know they're calling it for Wednesday though. Look, it's already sticking. Like, let's go. Screw it. I'm gonna rip it now. I don't care. Might as well. Gotta go get my helmet. All right, boys, here we go. I'm so excited for this. POV hat engaged. Seatbelt, let's do that. Yes, sir. Oh, let's find the gear. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. Two-wheel drive. Oh yeah. Oh, it's gonna be muddy. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my! Oh. Yes, sir. Oh, that's awesome. Oh shoot! I dug that up a little bit. Oh yeah, let's go. Oh, shaking and baking, baby. Woohoo! Oh, we gotta chill up here though. This is so sweet. So sweet. Oh, this is so fun down here. In mud, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I like. Woohoo! That's so fun. Oh my God. So fun. So fun. so fun. Uh-oh. I don't want to spin on the grass. This is awesome. That is literally so much fun. Like, the grass is still wet because it's just fresh snow still and it's not really frozen yet. But when it gets to like 5 to 6 inches, that Polaris in there, oh my god, that thing's gonna be so fun to rip. That was even fun down there, but it just got so muddy. But I mean, it's whatever. But it's in a field, so it don't really matter. But still, it's so fun. If y'all get a chance to do it, do it. Especially with the Razor Turbo. That is something you want to drive. Anyways, I'm done playing right now. I'll see y'all at the shop. Yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah. That looks so good.
Are you gonna put TNS in the background?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That looks so good. Oh my god. Alright, so 50 on the front and 20 in the sides. Yeah, that looks good. Alright, so this is a new key fob. It's just a little small by Viper. 20% looks really good on it. And I did 50 on the front, like I said, I believe I did. But no, this is the best part. Remote start right here. It takes a little second, but that's just so cool. That is so cool. That's really neat. Walking out to the truck. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Just like that. Keys right here. Keys are right here. What you know about it? What you know about it? All right, guys, we're back at home now, and this just turned out so freaking nice. Like, I just love that it's just matched up perfectly. Like, that's awesome. That and the front windshield is great too during the daytime because it's 50%. It's not totally dark, but like, as you can see, like it's definitely darker than stock, obviously. But no, it just makes it a lot better in the daytime because I normally wear sunglasses when I drive because of the sun glare and everything, but with this, I don't have to wear sunglasses anymore. I'm really happy about that. But the big ticket item is that remote start. Like, this is literally the coolest thing. Like, I'll show you right now. Remote's in hand, right? Open the truck. Nobody's in the truck, okay? Click this button once. It takes a minute because they have the glow plugs. It has to warm them up. So it gives it like a 20-second delay, I believe they said. Anytime now. Like, that is just the coolest feature to me. Like, that is just so freaking cool. But yeah, as you can tell, like, when we get in the truck now, like, once the lights go out and everything, it's decently dark in here, like, versus having the door open. It's really nice. But there's when you want to turn the truck off, when you're not wanting to drive it anymore, all you have to do without the key, still in your hand, literally all you gotta do is press a brake, and then it shuts off. But in this case, maybe we're gonna restart it right here. Puts off the brake, no key in the ignition. Coolest thing to me. This is just, I'm gonna need a new starter. I just love it. So but when you actually want to go to drive the truck, put the key in, you go all the way to the on position. You don't pass the starter position because obviously it's already started. But so yeah, then you're ready to drive. And we're backing up. But yeah, it's just such a cool feature. I really suggest it. So overall, big shout out to Tint and Sound for the excellent work they did with the window tint and the remote start. If you're in the Frederick, Maryland area, I'd really suggest going to them. They're really great guys to work with and really nice. But yeah, they just, it's just so cool. Like I tell you what, I'm doing it again. I don't care. I really don't care. I'm gonna need a new starter. Who knows? Literally, it's just so good. Such a good sound. Yes, sir. Anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys and have a great day.